At the end of this election day, the city of Chattanooga will have elected newly elected city council members. Channel 3's Grace McKenna was keeping an eye on the hotly contested race for District 8 this morning. She's got more from those candidates.
3 candidates threw their hats in the ring for District 8 City Council seat. Incumbent Councilman Anthony Byrd, UTC student DeAndre Anderson, and activist Marie Mott. We caught up with the candidates today as they made their final push to get out the vote. Tuesday morning, District 8 City Council candidates made a last-ditch effort to rally support.
It's a part of our democracy. We have to get out and vote.
For newcomers Marie Mott and DeAndre Anderson, the campaign's final hours centered on key issues and planning for the future.
There is such an issue right now of people finding an affordable place to live, whether that is owning or renting.
I don't know all the answers, but I know that other people do, and partnering and collaborating together will help me be able to get those things done.
Incumbent Anthony Byrd focused on pitching his experience to undecided voters.
So often we're trumped by the state and the feds. So when we try to put things forward for our communities, we get stopped or get roadblocks. But we just want people to know that we're always fighting for them.
Central issues include affordable housing, job growth, and public safety. Those were front of mind as some mulled over the possibility of a runoff.
I will call, if I make the runoff, my opponent to a debate on the issues.
I've been thinking a lot about it. Some of the things that I think we would do is just continue to be super grassroots. So in the community, door knocking.
Tuesday, though, streets and sidewalks trumped door knocks and phone calls. District 8 includes the Avondale, Amnicola, Bushtown, Courthouse 1 and 2, and East Side 1 and 2 precincts. Reporting at the Hamilton County Election Commission, Grace McKenna, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.